Hi, kids. These are Mary's and John's little puppies. It's a little white male. There's the other little boy. Hi. Hi, kids. Come here. They've been playing outside. So nice out. 75 degrees today. Hi, doe buddy. Hi, doe buddy. Hi, baby boy. Hi, doe baby boy. You guys are so pretty. They both need a bath, but they are puppies. And they like a pet. Hi. Who's that, huh? Who's that? Hi, Fuffers. Hi, Fuffers. Oh, I got kisses. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Hello. Tell me how about it. Oh, I know. What are you going to tell me? Oh. What are you going to tell me? Oh, he's going to love my hand. Oh, and he's going to bark. And he's going to bark. No, you stay in there. What? Get in there. No. Boys are going home Sunday. Yes, you're going home Sunday. Hi, handsome. What? I know. Oh, my goodness sakes. Hi. Quiet. You're good babies. Oh, I know. Just quiet. Good baby. I know. Oh, it's a good baby. They're good babies.